Okay.
Go.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing this wonderful inflatable. This is the 9-foot wide Santa helicopter with the.
Hang on a second. I'm gonna pause the video time. All right, go.
Alright, so here it is, 9-foot wide. Got this 15% off at Lowe's.
Hang on a second.
So yeah, let's go unbox this guy, I guess.
Here.
Yes, give me two. I need two.
I'm willing to give you a couple of tools. Screwdrivers. Before you take it out of the box, I want to see what it looks like.
Alright, there you go.
Alright, let's take a look. What do we got?
Seats and covers, instructions, and then the inflatable itself. How it goes. 67's.
Let's see that. Let's see that 200.
Okay, that one.
Oops.
There it is. No cover.
All right, nice. Let's see that 200. Right here. Stick your feet. Oh, hang on. We got to unclip this. Good job, Jimmy. You put a 200 this one. 5 out of 5 stars.
I love it.
Me too. I love it. Okay, let's clip this in and get it plugged in.
Now,
Go.
here we go.
Fires up quickly. Yes.
Yep, here it goes.
Have the Vixens come up here. That was quick.
Wow.
Holy shit. Wow, that's
like
tight. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Good thing I got one too. Right?
Yep. So there's the reindeer. Reindeer look pretty cool.
That's pretty quick.
Yeah.
Say what? It's
That's
5 foot
smaller
tall.
than I thought too.
I say what? It's 5 foot tall.
I thought
What do you think is bigger, this one or the penguin one we have?
I honestly don't know. Maybe the penguin one's so tall.
Oh, that's where the tether attachment is.
Oh.
Way down there.
Okay.
And then there's one at the front there. A little strange. That's cool. It has 2 propellers.
Yeah.
And the other zippers are just by the fan.
I don't know. Take a look.
I think just by the fan.
Oh,
Eh. You know what's funny? This Vixen's looking out here. Vixen 1, Vixen 2. These things move really quick. That's probably fun. And one thing I don't like about it is you pull this shit up. No eyes.
You should give it eyes.
You know, it's interesting. Why is this Vixen looking that way? This Vixen's this way.
And why does this one have only one control? Didn't it have 2 controls?
I'd give it a 5 out of 5. That 200.
Yeah, it works very well.
Looks really nice in the dark.
Oh yeah.
Very nice. Alright, anything else?
Nope.
Thanks for watching. Now let's open this.